guys, it's Sherry from Scrapbooking.life, and today we're revealing our Rejoice 2 scrapbooking kit. This is a 2-page layout kit, so you get 10 2-page layouts for $50 to create your base pages. It does come with a few embellishments, and of course your PDF guide to help you complete it. We distressed everything with vintage photo ink, which is one of the Tim Holtz distress inks from Ranger, and we do have those online available for sale at Scrapbooking.life, as well as the kit. I'm going to quickly run through the kit so you can see what the pages look like. Everything is pre-cut. You'll just need to distress and glue it down. That's page 1, 2. We did use some foam tape in order to pop up some of those. This is 2, sorry. 3, 4. We did use a stapler there and again some foam tape. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can purchase this again online at Scrapbooking.life. Just click on kits and you'll find the Rejoice 2 kit package.